Hi everyone, I'm Error Slayer and today I'll show you how to generate a QR code for Google reviews. If you're ready, as a first step, open the Google Chrome web browser and click the Google Apps button in the upper right corner. Then click the Business Profile Manager icon. Click on Read Reviews. Click on Get More Reviews. As a first option, you can use the pre-made QR code that Google has generated for your business. This QR code cannot be customized and is ideal for simple uses. To download it, simply right-click on the QR code and select Save Image As. Then click Save button. As you can see, the QR code was downloaded successfully. If you want to generate a custom QR code, please follow my steps. First, copy your review link by clicking the copy icon. Then go to the qrcode-monkey.com website. Paste the link you copied here. Then click on Set Colors and select the foreground and background colors. Then click the Add Logo Image tab. You can use the logos available here, or you can upload your business logo by clicking the Upload Image button. I will choose the Google Plus logo. Finally, if you wish, you can customize designs such as body shape and iframe shape by clicking on the Customize Design tab. Once everything is ready, you can click the Create QR Code button to preview the final version of the QR code you created. If you want to change anything, you can do so by clicking on the tabs in the same way. After making each change, click the Create QR Code button. Finally, click the Download PNG button and download your custom QR code. I hope the How to Generate a QR Code for Google Reviews tutorial video was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a great day!